And I'd like to take this special opportunity as well to salute amongst ourselves Advocate Teffo, present here. In fact, it will be unfair if I stand here, because I'm standing in the shoes of Advocate Teffo. I stepped into his shoes when he left the case. So it is prudent and proper that he stands amongst the people that are here now. I also like to pass my apologies. I stand here on behalf of the following advocates. Advocate Mshololo. Advocate Munisi. Advocate Ngumalo. Advocate Mnyeki, our candidates, Ms. Naledi Litaka. I stand on behalf of our presiding judge in our matter. He passes his condolences to the family. Baholo ake khalemeng. Gastwana hatele solo kholo ditshego. Ko khoto we are called adversaries. In life, we are human beings. So I'm not happy the judge being good. He passes his condolences to the family as a human being. I also pass my condolences from the team of prosecutors, Advocate Baloyi, Advocate Sibanda. I also pass my condolences from the chief of interpreters who's here, the court staff, everybody that Mr. Mngomezulu has interacted with at court. Mngomezulu can bear testament. He was well liked in court. He was well liked in the public. So we celebrate him sonke without sekete abanye abantu. I'm not Zulu speaking, but I'll speak the truth. I stand here for the truth.